Make a great choice today with the 2010 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, tow hitch, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto off headlights, remote vehicle start. Come take a test drive today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.